Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to prepare glycerin from the crude glycerol, byproduct of biodiesel. So first of all, we have to know about the glycerin and crude glycerol. Glycerin is a simple polyol compound. It is colorless, odorless, viscous liquid that is sweet tasting and non-toxic. And glycerin used in the food product, and due to its antiviral and antimicrobial properties, it used in the burn treatment. And here the question arises, what is polyol compounds, right? So polyol compounds are those compounds which contain multiple hydroxyl group, and glycerin contain 3 hydroxyl group. Crude glycerol. Crude glycerol is the byproduct of biodiesel. It usually contains impurities such as water, methanol, soap and fatty acid. And after the neutralization of the crude glycerol, we get 80 to 88% pure glycerin, and further distillation we get 99% pure glycerin. The aim of this experiment is to prepare glycerin from crude glycerol. To proceed this experiment, we have to require some chemicals and apparatus such as hydrochloric acid, diluted NaOH, beaker, vacuum filter, simple distillation apparatus, pH paper, separatory funnel, 6 gram activated charcoal and molecular sieves. Procedure. First we take the crude glycerol mixture in a beaker and check its pH through the pH paper, and it shows the pH is strongly basic. Then this crude glycerol mixture acidify by adding of HCl, then precipitation take place, and then check its pH again through the pH paper. It shows the pH is strongly acidic around 1. Then allow the solution to be settled down. Then after some time transfer the mixture into the separatory funnel and leave it for some time to separate the layer. But during the transfer the mixture into the separatory funnel, leaving as much salt as possible at the bottom of the beaker. After the separation of two layers in the separatory funnel, as the given figure shows, the upper layer consists undesired fatty acid and lower layer consists glycerin. Then collect the lower layer glycerin in the beaker with the help of the separatory funnel No. After the collection of lower layer glycerin, this layer neutralized by the addition of diluted NaOH to achieve the pH around 7, and check its pH through the pH paper. If the pH is still acidic, then add small amount of NaOH more, and if the pH is basic, then re-acidify the solution by adding small amount of diluted HCl to become the glycerin neutral. After neutralization, heat the solution up to 110 degrees Celsius and allow to evaporate a lot of water until its volume 1/3 of the initial, and stop stirring and allow the salt to be settled at the bottom. Then transfer the crude glycerol to another beaker and leaving the salt in the former beaker, and then add methanol 4 times as the volume of the glycerol in the beaker, and then add 6 gram activated charcoal. The activated charcoal is used to remove the color impurities from the glycerin, and then add some molecular sieves to trap the water from the glycerin, and then leave it for the overnight and filter out these mixture with the help of the vacuum filter, which gives colorless solution. This colorless solution contain glycerin and methanol. Separate the glycerin and methanol by the simple distillation apparatus. After the distillation, heat the beaker containing glycerin at 110 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes to evaporate a final amount of methanol. Then we get pure glycerin. Result: percentage yield of the glycerin found from the crude glycerol. Percentage yield can be calculated by the dividing of weight of the pure glycerin obtained by the weight of the crude glycerol used into 100. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.